In this video, I'm gonna show what features of PyRevit I use most of the time. Normally, before sharing our MEP models with architects, structural engineers, or any other parties, we need to clean the models. We need to remove any Revit links, CAD links, etc. We need to delete the views and sheets, and also we need to purge the models. And most importantly, we do it on a detached model. With PyRevit Wipe Models Components feature, it can be done a bit faster. Let me show you what I mean. Normally I open 3D view and splash screen sheet. Then I go to PyRevit. Click on this Wipe drop-down menu and choose Wipe Model Components. And then I put a tick against Remove all views of any kind except open views. This will remove all the views from the project apart from this 3D view. Then I put a tick against Remove all sheets except open sheets. It will remove all the sheets from the project except this splash screen sheet. And finally I put a tick here, Call Revit Purge Unused after completion. Basically what it's gonna do is, after all the sheets and views have been deleted, it will bring up Purge Unused dialog box. And finally I hit the Wipe Model button. And as you can see, all the views apart from this 3D view have been deleted, and the same with the sheets. I can see just the splash screen sheet, which is what I wanted. And also I can see Purge Unused dialog box. Again, to reduce the number of items checked to 0, I need to do this procedure several times. It's done. The next feature I use is called Orient section box to face. Let's say you open selection box, but because your building is at some angle, the section box is at some angle too. In such cases I go to PyRevit, 3D drop-down menu, and choose Orient section box to face. And let's say I'm going to select the face of this wall. And here we go, the section box is now parallel to the face of this wall. The other feature is called copy state, paste state. Let's say you are working on a small project and you think there is no reason to create view templates. So what you can do instead is, let's just imagine here on the first floor some of your walls are in orange and you wish to transfer visibility graphics from level 1 to level 2. So what you can do instead is go to level 1, click on this copy state button, choose visibility graphics, then go to level 2 view and click on this paste state button. And here you go, the visibility graphics from level 1 have been copied to level 2. The next one would be pick feature. Let's say I want to select all the grids in this view and pin them. Instead of selecting everything, going to filter, checking none, and selecting grids, I can do the following. I can go to PyRevit, click on this pick drop-down menu, choose pick, and choose grids. Well, I can't see grids, so what I can do is I can hold the shift key on my keyboard plus left click of my mouse button. This will bring up the select favorite categories dialog box. I can find grids put a tick against it and hit the apply button. And if I go back to pick feature, now I can see it. So because I clicked on grids, now it will only allow me to select grids. So I'm going to select all the grids with the selection window, and I can pin it, just like so. If you are in a 3D view and you wish to hide this section box, you can do it from PyRevit. Just click on this section box button to hide it, and if you wish to unhide it, click again on this section box button, just like so. And the last feature is called tab coloring. If I have several projects open, the tabs are either white or gray, but if I hit tab coloring, straight away I can separate the two projects. And if I go to PyRevit drop-down menu, settings, click on this user interface drop-down menu, and here under tab coloring section you can play around with project tab styles and family tab styles. As well as that, you can play around with colors. This is all self-explanatory. Once finished, don't forget to hit the save settings and reload button. I think these are great features. Just play around with it, test it, and see what you think.